Welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to solve numericals from the exercise 1.4. This is the first question of it. And this is under CBSE Standard 7 syllabus. So first question is evaluate, and we have to write answer for all these things. In my previous videos we have discussed the division on integers and all the properties regarding division. If you have any doubt in that, please check the description. I have given the videos link in the description. Here first is minus 30 divided by 10. So this is going to be something like this. 30, this is minus divided by 10. So here the simple division will give us answer 3. And this 3 will be minus because this one integer is minus. So answer is minus 3. In division, whenever the numerator and denominator both are negative, our answer will be positive. When in division, either of the numerator or denominator is negative, our answer will be negative. Either A is negative or B is negative, our C will be negative. These are only two possibilities are there in division. So you have to see that if denominator and numerator both are negative, then our answer is positive. If one of them is negative, then our answer is also negative, because here negative will become plus, here negative positive will become negative. This is the thing, and we have to remember this. Now here 50 divided by 5, so answer is 10, but here one integer is negative, so our answer will carry negative sign. 36 divided by 9, so this is something like 36 divided by 9 and both are negative. Both integers are negative, so our answer is going to be positive. So 4 is the answer and plus 4 is the answer. Now 49 divided by 49, minus 49 divided by 49. When the number we are dividing with the same number, we will get 1. And when either of the integer is negative, our answer is negative. 13 divided by this term. So first we have to solve this term. So here 13 divided by, let us solve this. So minus 2 plus 1. It will give us minus 1. So 13 divided by 1 is 13. And one integer is negative, so our answer is minus 13. Now here 0 divided by minus 12. Any integer when you are dividing with 0, integer is in denominator and 0 is in numerator. 0 divided by any integer will give us 0. Now here we have to first solve this term. So in G, first we are solving this. So minus 31 divided by minus 30 plus minus 1. This minus will become plus. So it will give us 31, but it will carry bigger number sign here. So answer is minus 31. Now 31 divided by 31. Something like this. 31 divided by 31. So we will get here 1. And both the integers are negative. So our answer is plus 1. Now H. So here we have to solve this term. So minus 36 divided by 12. This term is like this. So here we know that 3 will come, and 3 will be negative because only one integer is negative. So from here we got minus 3. So now minus 3 divided by 3. So we will get here minus 1. 3 divided by 3 and one integer is negative. So our answer will carry negative sign. Now I. So minus 6 plus 5 divided by minus 2 plus 1. So first we are solving this two term separately, then we will divide this two term. Minus 6 plus 5. So here we have to do subtraction. So we will get 1 and answer will carry bigger number sign. So this is answer from this term divided by, let us solve this, minus 2 plus 1. So subtraction we have to do. So we will get 1 and it will carry bigger number sign, minus. Minus 1 divided by minus 1. It is something like this. Minus 1 divided by minus 1. So we will get 1 and that too a plus plus 1 we will get, because denominator and numerator both are negative. So minus minus will become positive, so answer will be plus 1. Exercise 1.4, question number 2. Here we have to verify that a divided by into the bracket b plus c is not equal to a divided by b plus a divided by c. So these two terms are not equal to each other. That we have to prove for the given values of a, b and c. And in a they have given a equals to 12, b equals to minus 4 and c equals to 2. So this value we have to put in this, and we have to show that left hand side term is not equal to right hand side term. So let us first write this term, a divided by b plus c, and here we will write the right hand side term, a divided by b plus a divided by c. Now let us first solve this. So here we are putting a equals to 12, b equals to minus 4 and c equals to 12. So when we are keeping this value into this, we will get 12 divided by b is minus 4. So minus 4, I am making this square bracket, then plus 2. Now let us solve this. 12 divided by this, first we have to solve. So minus plus will become minus. Here we have to do subtraction. So 4 minus 2 we will get 2 and it will carry bigger number sign, minus 2. When 12 divided by 2 we will get 6 and denominator is minus, so answer is minus 6. Now let us solve this. So here you can write statement also that when we are keeping the values of a, b and c. So here a equals to 12, b equals to minus 4 and c equals to 2 we are keeping. So 12 divided by minus 4 plus a. So 12 divided by 2. At the place of b we have put minus 4, at the place of c we have put 2 and at the place of a we have put 12. Now let us solve this. So first we will solve this and this. So 12 divided by 4 we will get 3 and that too minus because our denominator is negative, plus 12 divided by 2 we will get 6. Now 6 plus 3, but this is minus, so this will lead to subtraction. So 6 minus 3 will get 3 and it will carry bigger number sign, so it will be positive 3. Now you can see here this side we got minus 6 and this side we got 3. So here we can write that hence it is proved that a divided by into the bracket a plus b is not equal to this right hand side term. That hence it is proved that, and then again this equation you have to write here. Second question, in which a equals to minus 10, b equals to 1 and c equals to 1 is there. So just like earlier we will keep all these values of a, b and c into this. So here while keeping a equals to minus 10, b equals to 1 and c equals to 1, we will get here minus 10 divided by 1 plus 1. Here let us solve this first. So minus 10 divided by 2. So 10 divided by 2 we will get 5 and this is minus, so our answer will be minus. Now here when we are keeping a equals to minus 10, b equals to 1 and c equals to 1. So let us put all the values into this. Minus 10 divided by 1, this is one bracket, plus minus 10 divided by 1. So we will solve this two first. Minus 10 divided by 1, so it will be 10 and that too minus 10, plus minus 10, here also minus 10 we will get. So here minus minus will become plus, so we will get 20 and that too it will carry negative sign, so minus 20. Here also you can see that Answer from both sides is not equal. So hence it is proved that a divided by b plus c is not equal to a divided by b plus a divided by c. Question number 3. So here we have to fill in the blanks. So here 369 divided by what we will keep, so we will get 369. So obviously divided by 1. Then second, minus 75 divided by what we have to write here, so that we will get 1. When number we are dividing by the number itself, we will get 1. So let us write 75. Now let us check about sign. Our answer is negative. So either of this number should be negative. Only one number should be negative. So that is already there. So the number what we are putting here, it should be positive. Then only our answer will be negative. If you will put negative here also, then negative will become positive and this will be plus 1. And the answer what they have given here is negative 1, minus 1. So this will be wrong if you have put here minus 75. So that we need to check. C, minus 206 divided by the number which will give us 1. So here we know the answer that 206 will come, and see here answer is plus 1. One of the integer is negative. So our second integer also should be negative, then only negative will become positive. Then only this number will be positive. Here minus 87. So what we should write here so that we will get a plus 87 here. When we will write here 1, 87 divided by 1, we will get 87. But we need here plus 87. This is 1 negative, so here we are keeping minus 1. Then only minus plus will be there. Now here, a number divided by 1 will give us minus 87. Answer is negative. Here what number they have given is positive. So here when we are writing 87, we have to put negative sign. Then only our answer will be negative. Now a number divided by 48 will give us minus 1. So we have to write here 48. Now this is minus 1. This 48 is plus. So this 48 should be negative. Then only we will get minus. Only one thing you have to remember here, that when A and B both are negative, then our answer is plus C. When either of this is negative, then our answer is negative. Either numerator is negative or denominator is negative, then our answer is negative. Only these two things we have to remember. 20 divided by 10, then only we will get 2. Now 2 is negative, so we have to put here negative sign. A number divided by 4 will give us minus 3. So here 12 should be there. So 12 divided by 4, we will get 3, but it is minus. So we will keep here minus. Anytime if you have any doubt that how this answer has come, then you can always, this division you can take it to other side, then it will go to multiplication. So 4 multiply with 3, you will get 12. So one of the integer is 12. Exercise 1.4, question number 4. Write 5 pairs of integers a and b such that a divided by b equals to minus 3. One such pair is 6 and minus 2, because 6 divided by minus 2 equals to minus 3. So we have to find out two integers here, a and b, so that the answer will be minus 3 out of their division. So here many integers we can find out, but the thing we have to keep in mind that either of this integer should be negative. Then only our answer will be negative. So here we have to find out two integers such that our answer will be 3. So any number you can take where 4 into 3 divided by 12. So here 4 and 12 you can take, so that the answer will be 3. Then 5 into 3 equals to 15. 6 into 3 equals to 18. 7 into 3 equals to 21. So here this pair is 12 and 4. So the answer we will get is 3. Here the pair is 15 and 5. So the answer is 3. Here the pair is 18 and 6. So we will get 3. Here the pair is 21 and 7. So we will get answer 3. Now two things we have to keep in mind, that numerator should be bigger. Then only 3 will come in numerator. It will be like this. 12 divided by 4. Then only we will get 3, and that too in numerator. Now we need minus 3. We don't need plus 3. So here either of this numerator should be negative. In that, any of one numerator you can keep negative. Here I am keeping minus 12. Here I am keeping minus 5. Here I am keeping minus 18. I am keeping minus 7. One more pair we have to write. So let us write 8 into 3 equals to 24. So 24 I am keeping minus, and then 8. So now let us check this division. These are our pairs and these are the answers. There are 5 pairs. So minus 12 and 4, 15 and minus 5, minus 18 and 6, 21 and minus 7, minus 24 and 8. Now let us check one by one whether our pairs are correct or not. So minus 12 divided by 4. So answer is minus 3. Yes, our pair is correct. 15 divided by 5 and 5 is negative. So the answer is minus 3. Yes, this is also correct. Similarly, 18 divided by 6. This is minus 18. So here we will get minus 3. Then 21 divided by 7, and this is minus. So the answer is 3, and that too minus 3. So this both are correct. Now 24 divided by 8. So the answer is minus 3. Why? Because our 24 is negative. So all this is our answer. So this 5 pair we have choose, and n number of pairs you can also find out through this table. Here how we have find out the pair? When 4 into 3 will give us 12, then we need to find out that the two numbers which will give us 3. So this 4, when we are taking this side, we will get 3 equals to 12 divided by 4. So this will be our pair. So from this step we can find out our pair, that this is our pair. Here also 3 we want as an answer. So 5 we are taking over this side. So what we will get here? 3 equals to 15 divided by 5. So first we will find out the pair, and then we will decide that which number will be negative. Either both numbers are negative or any one number is negative, and that is depending upon the answer. Question number 5. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above 0. So it is plus 10 degrees Celsius. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until the midnight, at what time would be the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below 0? So it should be minus 8. So at what time minus 8 degrees Celsius temperature will be there? If it will decrease at 2 degrees Celsius per hour, what would be the temperature at midnight? So here hour by hour we will calculate the temperature. First we will start from 12 noon. What is the temperature at 12 noon? Plus 10 degrees Celsius at 12 noon, because they have said that above 0. Now after that 1 p.m. it will decrease by 2 degree per hour. So it will be 8 degrees Celsius plus 8 degrees Celsius. Now 2 p.m. plus 6 degrees Celsius. 3 p.m. plus 4 degrees Celsius. 4 p.m. plus 2 degrees Celsius. 5 p.m. 0 degrees Celsius. Then 6 p.m. minus 2 degrees Celsius. It is decreasing after 0, so it will be minus 2. Now 7 p.m. minus 4 degrees Celsius. 8 p.m. minus 6 degrees Celsius. 9 p.m. minus 8 degrees Celsius. We are going further down. 10 p.m. and we have to count this till midnight. So minus 10 degrees Celsius. 11 p.m. minus 12 degrees Celsius and 12 midnight. It will be minus 14 degree Celsius. 12 midnight the temperature will be minus 14 degrees Celsius. This is our first answer. That at 12 midnight the temperature will be minus 14 degrees Celsius if the temperature is decreasing 2 degrees Celsius per hour. Now the second question is, what time would be the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below 0? Now below 0 means it should be minus 8. So when the temperature was minus 8 at 9 p.m. So this is our second answer, that at 9 p.m. temperature was minus 8 degree Celsius. Exercise 1.4, question number 6. In a class test, plus 3 marks for correct answer, minus 2 marks for every incorrect answers are there, and no marks for not attempting the question. Now first is, Radhika scored 20 marks. If she got 12 correct answer, how many questions she has attempted correctly? So let us first solve this. First, we are solving for Radhika. First we will write that in a 3 marks plus 3 marks for correct answer, minus 2 marks for incorrect answer. And there is no negative marking and no question for not attempting. So 0 marks for no attempt. So here Radhika scored how much marks? 20 marks. If she got 12 correct answer, 12 correct answer she got. How many questions she has attempted correctly? So Radhika scored 20 marks and that too she got 12 correct answers. Then how many questions she has attempted incorrectly? So first we will check that how much she has scored from 12 correct answer. We know that she will get plus 3 for every correct answer. So 12 into 3 marks for correct answers. So here 36 marks she will get out of 12 correct answer. This much marks she will get when she will give 12 answers correctly. Now 36 should be there, but how much she scored? She scored only 20. So the marks which have been deducted is from negative marking and is from incorrect answer because it is minus 2. So she scored 20. So here she scored 20. So we can write 36 minus 20 equals to, when we will subtracting this, we will get how much marks have been deducted from the negative marking or how much marks have been deducted from incorrect answer. So here 36 minus 20 we will get 36 minus 20 we will get 6 and 1. So 16 marks have been deducted. Now if she will give incorrect answer for one question, it will be minus 2. So here the total marks are 16. 16 less marks she has got. So 16 divided by 2. 16 divided by 2 equals to 8. So here 8 incorrect answers she has got. How we have got this? First, how much correct answer she has given, that we have multiplied with its mark. So already that much mark she scored out of the correct answer. Now that is 36, but actually she scored 20. So where the marks have been deducted from incorrect answer, because it is -2. What -2 is suggesting that there is a negative marking scheme. That means if you are giving one wrong answer, that means that much marks they will deduct. If you have 20 marks and you will give one answer wrong, then the next score of yours is 18. They will deduct 2 marks from your original score. So here 36 she already scored from the correct answer, but the actual score is 20. So how many marks have been deducted? That we have find out from 36 minus 20. 36 should be there, but now it is 20. So how much less is there? 16. So 16 marks less are there. That means 16 marks have been deducted. 16 marks are negative marking. Now we can also write like this, that one question is of 2 marks. Then 16 marks, how many questions? Like this also we can do. And here 16 divided by 2 we will get an 8. Here we can also write -2 because -2 marks are there. But similarly here also -16 marks should be there. Then only we will get question in positive form. So here we are not writing -2. Only we are writing 2. So one questions, how many marks? They are deducting 2 marks. So if they have deducted 16 marks, how many questions she has attempted wrongly, or how many questions answer she has given incorrectly? So number of questions she has attempted incorrectly, that is how we are getting here. Second, Mohini scores -5 marks in this test. So total score of Mohini is -5. Though she has got 7 correct answer, how much answers she got correct? 7 correct answers. How many questions she has attempted incorrectly? That means now here the score is in negative and she has attempted 7 answers correctly. So maybe the incorrect answers are more, then only her score is in negative. So let us check this. First we will find out the score from correct answer. So how we will find out? We will multiply this with the marks of correct answer. So into 3. So we will get 21. So 21 marks she will get from correct answers. Now, and the marks she should score is 21. So 21 minus -5. So here -5 from 21. So here we will get 21 minus -5. So this will be addition and we will get here 26 and that too -26. Now that means 26 marks have been deducted from the wrong answers. Now let us calculate how many questions she has attempted wrongly. So now from this marks we will calculate the number of questions. Now one question will cost her 2 marks. Then for 26 marks, how many questions will be there? So 26 divided by 2. 26 divided by 2 and we will get 13. So 13 questions she has attempted incorrectly and 7 questions she has attempted correctly. Now let us check this once, that whether our calculation is correct or not. So from 13 into 2 will give us -26 and 7 correct, that means 7 into 3 it will give us 21. Now 21 minus 26 we will get -5. So her score is -5. So this we have checked our answer, that whatever we have calculated here is correct or not. So this is correct. So what we have calculated here, that 7 answers she has attempted correctly. So from that we have calculated her score from corrected answer. Now her actual score is -5. So let us subtract this minus 5 from 21. Why we have done this? Because it should be this and it was this. So 21 minus 5. So we got here minus 26. Now these are the marks. These marks have been deducted because of the wrong answer. So if one question will cost her 2 marks, that means for one wrong question 2 marks will be deducted. Then hers, how many marks have been deducted? 26 marks. Then how many questions were there? So 26 divided by 2. So we got here 13. So 13 question she has attempted incorrectly. Question number 7. An elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meter per minute. If the descent starts from 10 meter above the ground level, how long will it take to reach minus 350 meter? Now this is a ground level. Now it starts from 10 meter above. So this is 10 meter. Above the ground level it will start, and it has to reach till minus 350 meter below the ground level. If it will go at the rate of 6 meter per minute. What is the meaning of this? It travels 6 meter in how many minutes? Per minute, that means in 1 minute. So here in 1 minute it goes or it travels 6 meter. Here it is going down. So it is traveling down. In 1 minute it will travel 6 meter down. Another minute it will travel another 6 meter. That is how it is traveling. Now how long will it take to reach minus 350 meter? So now we have to calculate this. So we are calculating the above ground levels 10 meter also. So the actual distance the shaft has to cover is 360 meter. And why is it so? Because it is here. It has to cover this 10 meter also, and then further it has to go down 350. This minus they have given because it is going down below the ground level. So that's why this also we are counting in that. So we are counting total 360 meter because it has to travel from 10 meter above. So this 10 meter also we are calculating, and then further 350. So 350 into 10, 360 meter total it will travel. Now it is traveling with the rate of 6 meter per minute. Now how much it needs to travel? 360. So when it will travel 360 meter, how much time it will take? Again, whatever data they have given, that is 6 meter per minute. That means it goes 6 meter in 1 minute. 6 meter in 1 minute. We have total how many meters? 360. So in how many minutes it will cover 360? So here 1 into 360 divided by 6. So we will get here 60. So it is 60 minute. 60 minute equals to 1 hour. So in 1 hour it will travel 360 meter.